Myths of innovation. What is the most tossed word globally today? What seems to be everyone's mantra? Innovation. There are varied definitions based on people, places, and perceptions. We at Khoj Lab set to find out what is innovation. We searched, we researched, we reached out to thought leaders, designers, academicians, growth officers, and we arrived at what is not innovation. From this research, we present 7 myths of innovation that are entangling us. Myth 1. Innovation is that one bright idea. This is the most common myth. The problem is romancing the idea as a solution, with little thought about its movement through the organization. It is important to synchronize the idea and manage with your stakeholders as it evolves. The idea is the seed, only 5 to 10% of the whole thing. Very important, but it needs to be nurtured. Lesson is, map the flow of an idea and streamline it. Myth 2. Innovation is to fight competition. Successful companies focus on genuine improvement. They don't innovate to fight competition. Being innovative means evolution with times, knowledge of future needs, and customer value. The real goal is to keep looking for opportunities. Thereby, beating competition is a byproduct of being consistently innovative. Myth 3. Digital transformation is innovation. Most digital transformation projects start with new technology migration, without engaging in experimentation or exploration. However, innovation is about identifying problems and finding new ways to solve them. Technology may be an enabler for solving problems, but it's not the only solution. Digital transformation is creating the illusion that you are protected. Point is, don't just migrate, explore and improve. Myth 4. Innovation is expensive. There is a common perception that only large companies have the luxury to innovate. Truth is, the majority of big innovations started cheap, quick and affordable, irrespective of the company size. Let's look at PillPack. Within 5 years, they have grown into a unicorn. Not a single component of PillPack's products and services is new to the industry. Yet, the secret is that they identified a simple human need and aligned the system to make business sense. Key is to identify what to pause and what to invest in. Myth 5. Innovation has immediate return on investment. The way our business mind thinks, we set a goal, plan, define the resources, set KPIs, and measure progress. But innovation needs small experiments, and sometimes experiments fail. Key is to take returns from present and invest them in the future. The return on innovation investment may not be visible immediately. It is not a financial statement you put at the end of the year. In short, experiment, fail, reallocate, reap. Myth 6. Innovation is a one-time act. With advances in technology, any disruptions will stay relevant for a short period. Companies need to envision the future with users' relevance in perspective. All innovations have a limited era of impact. How can an organization be continuously innovating, improving, and reinventing itself? That's the holy grail. So, innovate small and repeat. Myth 7. Innovation is a natural phenomenon. Introducing focused team activities and innovation champions is essential. It cannot be a phenomenon of natural progression. Innovation is a forced activity. You need to have active players and you need to change the mindsets of the systems to make it happen. Don't just wait, orchestrate the magic. These myths lead to some significant barriers that hamper the success of large corporations in it. All of these present challenges to embracing new ways of doing business. Now, let's ask again, what is innovation? Innovation is to address a need that brings value to the world. It is systematic orchestration of mindsets and activities. It can happen at any scale, small or big, low risk or high risk, incremental or disruptive. The result is not always totally new. Put simply, not everyone needs to innovate. but with the right tools and processes, anyone can innovate. We are on a journey to explore, inform, and impact the innovation landscape. Let's join hands.